Hello, very good afternoon to all my subscribers and students. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Then once again I am requesting to you all. Once again and again I am requesting, but so from your side there is no proper encouragement. Especially, I'm requesting to the class 10 students, watch the videos according to the topic which is going in your school. Then carbon and its compounds already completed, and I uploaded the videos also. Please watch them. Please watch them accordingly your topic. Maybe in some schools physics related chapter explained by one teacher and chemistry chapter related chemistry related chapters by another teacher. So simultaneously both chapters are going. So that's why. So please watch the chapter carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. So many videos are there because of a huge chapter and additional matter also explained, and I request one more, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and share the channel with your friends or relatives who are studying class 10 in various schools, and watch the videos accordingly the chapter which is going in your school. Then only you will get more benefit. Otherwise, why I am requesting many times, because of when I check my channel, most of the views for recently uploaded videos. That too, if the length of the video is more than 40 or more than 30 minutes, then even the views also become very less, because the length of the video is depends on the concept. If it is a small concept, it take minimum time. If it is the huge concept, a very important concept, it take much time. So understand. Then watch and subscribe. Then so previous session, and I told you I have to say to a small a small topic. So that is magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity is represented with H. Right? So what is this magnetic field intensity? The intensity of actual magnetic field. Magnetic intensity, magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity is the intensity of actual magnetic field. The intensity of actual magnetic field produced by a current. We can write with the help of a formula. B is equal to mu H. In case of vacuum, this formula we can write B is equal to mu naught H. Here B is, we know that magnetic flux. Then mu is magnetic permeability. magnetic permeability, and H is magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. So magnetic field intensity is the intensity of actual magnetic field created by a current and created or produced by a current. Then other definitions also given here. Magnetic field intensity is a measure of magnetic field intensity is it is a measure of the strength. It is a measure of the strength of an external magnetic field. External magnetic field applied to a material defined as the magnetizing force for unit length. Or other one also is given for magnetic field intensity. This other one is this quantity indicates the ability of magnetic field, or simply the ability of a magnetic field. The ability of a magnetic field to magnetize a material. And is related to the magnetic flux, density. Sorry. Here also magnetic flux density means magnetic flux density. So we can write B is equal to mu H, or B equal to mu naught H. So mu naught H in vacuum, the magnetic field intensity is related mu naught H in case of vacuum. Mu is the permeability or magnetic permeability of the material. Then what about this magnetic permeability? Magnetic permeability mu. Magnetic permeability mu. It is a measure of a material's ability to support the formation of magnetic field within itself. Or another one, the ratio flux induction or magnetic flux density to the magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. So we can write mu is equal to B by H. We can write magnetic field is equal to B by H. And this magnetic permeability is depends on the two factors. One is material's nature, temperature and frequency of the applied force. So magnetic permeability depends on the what kind of material nature, and the temperature and the frequency of the applied force, nothing but current carrying. So this is about magnetic permeability and magnetic field intensity. So magnetic field intensity unit, I forgot it, sorry, its unit is ampere per meter. Magnetic permeability unit is ampere per meter. Ampere per meter is the unit for magnetic field intensity. It is represented with H. So this is some little important for that magnetic field intensity and magnetic permeability. So magnetic field intensity means the intensity of actual magnetic field produced by a current, simply P equal to mu H. As B we know that magnetic flux density. What is meant by magnetic flux density? Magnetic flux density means magnetic flux density. Magnetic flux density is defined as amount of magnetic flux passing through a unit area. What is magnetic flux? The number of magnetic field lines passed in the area. So we already discussed those. Magnetic field and magnetic flux and magnetic flux density. So for that magnetic flux density topic or magnetic flux topic has 51 minutes. So for that video very less number of views are. But it depends on importance. So magnetic field intensity, magnetic permeability. So these are also some little important for this chapter. Magnetic effects of electric current. So different definitions are there. That depends on so whatever magnetic field intensity also one of the important one. Then magnetic permeability also there. This is not given in your government textbook, magnetic field intensity and magnetic permeability. Then I saw in some other private textbook. So that's why I am explaining you about magnetic field and magnetic field intensity. Thank you.